And the big breaking news that we're tracking this morning are the details that are emerging of Rhea Chakraborty's petition in the Supreme Court. After Rhea claimed in her plea that a senior police officer who is Sushant's relative is influencing the Bihar police FIR and pressurizing Sushant's friend, India Today has accessed a letter that's been written by Sushant's friend Siddharth to the Mumbai police. In an email to the Bandra police station on July 28th, Siddharth Pithani has said that he received a call from Sushant's brother-in-law and senior IPS officer OP Singh on Rhea and her expenses. The email further reads that on July 27, Pithani again received a call from OP Singh, who asked him to give a statement against Rhea Chakraborty to the Bihar police. On your screens is a copy of that letter that Siddharth Pithani has written to the Bandra police. In fact, this particular letter has also been cited by Rhea Chakraborty in her petition to the Supreme Court. Let me take this across to Pankaj Upadhyay for more details. Pankaj, this is another twist, perhaps completely unexpected really, in this entire case and this investigation. You've got Rhea Chakraborty stating that this probe by the Bihar police is being influenced, and she's attached a copy of that letter that we see on our screens from Sushant's friend Siddharth Pithani, where he's alleged that he got numerous calls from Sushant's relatives. Is this angle also going to be probed now by the police?
Yes, first of all, this is a totally unexpected twist in this entire investigation process. First, it seemed that Rhea Chakraborty is in a defensive mode, so much so to the extent that there were talks that perhaps she would be filing for the anticipatory bail. And now this big revelation, the pointers given in the petition, wherein the letter by Sushant's friend has also been attached, wherein he talks about the pressure that he was in, with which he gave the statements to the police, and at the same time he also says that he was asked to talk about things on which he was completely unaware. So this is a totally unexpected and a big revelation that is coming at this point of time. Mind you, Rhea Chakraborty has been saying that from day one that all the allegations that have been leveled against her are baseless. But these
Pankaj,
unexpected turn of events are really shocking.
Yes, Pankaj, where is Siddharth Pithani right now? Has he been questioned before this by the Mumbai police, and has the Bihar police also reached out to him?
Well, there is not much of a clarity on this front, but as the letter reveals that he had been called and influenced as early as 22nd of July, wherein he says that he was put in a conference call wherein the senior IPS official, along with the late actor's sister and a third person were present, wherein he was asked to put down statements against this Bollywood actor. So this is something really big. We would be waiting from the statement now from the Mumbai police on this, because this completely changes the course of investigation. While on one hand, you have Sushant Singh Rajput's family claiming and putting the entire onus on this Bollywood actor. And now you have the revelation by Sushant's friend and this content manager saying that he was pressurized. And also the big pointer in the petition, which says that perhaps it was the influence of this IPS official, and after which the FIR was lodged at Patna. Remember, before this, Rhea had said that she had been receiving rape threats, murder threats, and that she is fully willing to cooperate with the Mumbai police, and that if the case is not transferred from Patna to Mumbai, there is not going to be transparency in the case.
Yes.
But the two pointers, Akshata, since yesterday, one, the revelation by the CA, and second, the letter by Siddharth Pithani says a lot, and they completely changed the direction of the probe from here on.
You know, you've been mentioning some of the details that Rhea has put up in her defense in the Supreme Court. Let's focus on that. Pankaj, stay with us.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.